Welcome to Beautyistic, where we help you make informed beauty decisions. Are you tired of struggling with cleaning between your teeth, especially in those hard-to-reach places? Today, we're taking a closer look at a product designed to make your oral care routine easier: DenTek Easy Brush Cleaners. Now, whether you're someone who's always on the go, or just someone who's looking for a quicker and more effective way to clean between your teeth, this product might just be the answer. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out together. DenTek Easy Brush Cleaners come in a pack of 16, with each cleaner designed to help you clean between your teeth with ease. These little brushes are perfect for anyone who struggles with flossing or has tight spaces between their teeth. They're also great for anyone who simply wants a more efficient way to maintain oral hygiene. The ergonomic handle ensures a firm grip, while the brush head is designed to reach even the tightest spaces, removing food particles and plaque buildup. One of the standout features of the DenTek Easy Brush Cleaners is the flexible bristle design, which allows you to gently maneuver the brush into those tricky spots without damaging your gums. Plus, the brush is small enough to take on the go, making it perfect for travel or quick touch-ups after meals. In terms of performance, I found the DenTek Easy Brush Cleaners to be surprisingly effective. They were easy to use, and I appreciated how the brush's small size made it easier to navigate around teeth without discomfort. There's a noticeable difference in cleanliness compared to just using regular floss, and the brush felt gentle yet thorough. I also liked that the bristles didn't bend or lose shape after repeated use, which speaks to the durability of the product. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the pro side, the DenTek Easy Brush Cleaners are extremely easy to use and are more comfortable than traditional floss. The small, compact design makes them portable, and they work great for tight spaces between teeth. They're also more hygienic than reusable floss picks, as you can dispose of them after use. On the con side, the brush heads can be a bit small for those with wider gaps between their teeth, so it might not be the best option for everyone. Additionally, while they do a great job for everyday use, they might not be as effective for people with more complex dental needs, such as those with braces or extensive dental work. When it comes to value for money, I'd say the DenTek Easy Brush Cleaners are a decent investment, especially considering the convenience they offer. At this price point, you're getting a practical solution for improving your oral hygiene routine. But if you're looking for something more long-term or for a specialized dental tool, you might want to explore other options. In comparison to other dental cleaners, DenTek holds its own, particularly when you consider the compact design and ease of use. There are other similar products on the market, but DenTek has earned a reputation for being one of the easiest to use for quick cleaning between teeth. It's also a great choice if you're seeking a disposable product rather than something you have to clean and reuse. As for build quality, the DenTek Easy Brush Cleaners are well constructed. The brushes are sturdy, and the ergonomic handle ensures you won't lose your grip, even when they're wet. They also don't lose their shape or bristles after a few uses, which shows they're built to last. So would I recommend the DenTek Easy Brush Cleaners? If you're looking for a quick and effective way to clean between your teeth without the hassle of traditional flossing, this product is definitely worth considering. It's a simple, no-fuss solution to an often overlooked aspect of oral care. Now, if you're ready to give them a try, you can find the link to purchase in the comments or description box below. If you've used the DenTek Easy Brush Cleaners before, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.